is Preeti Singh, and I'm doing my PhD history from University of Hyderabad. I'm from Jharkhand, and I did my graduation and post-graduation from University of Delhi. And I also worked as a journalist for 2 years with Sunday Guardian in New Delhi. So I sincerely thank Naduvanur High Secondary School for inviting me to talk about a very relevant topic which we all are going through during this time, which is COVID-19. And I sincerely thank this Navdar program organized by Bharat Scouts and Guides of NHSS Viacard, which is taking very much responsibility to talk about various things which we are going through right now. And since I would like to say that how COVID-19 and education has affected our personal lives, and and the most thing which is affected is education. And I can understand how the school kids has been how their mental health and how their life has been affected when you have to take all the classes online, and not only for the students but also for the teachers, because teaching in a classroom where you can talk about so many things, where you can see how children are reacting to your studies, how children are understanding, and when a student has so many chances to ask questions to the teachers directly, which is, I don't think so, which is very much possible during online classes. And personally, I would also advise and request to all the students that respect your teachers, because I think they're taking a lot of effort to make this successful. And one thing I would like to say, that it's okay to understand that this COVID-19 will make your situations worse. In the upcoming days, there would be a lot of challenges personally, professionally, to you and your nearby ones. But what Bharat and Scouts Guides teaches you, it teaches you to be disciplined, it teaches you to be sincere, it teaches you to be persistent for whatever you do. And this is the time when you have to show that how consistency helps you, how this patience and how this sincerity will help you. And it's okay that that if you are not willing to do anything, it's okay not to be productive. It's okay when every other person is advising you that you should do something productive, you should do something. It's okay, just take your time, take rest. But what other things you can do is also that if you love gardening, you can help your parents in doing gardening. I love gardening. And other things you can do is help your mothers in the kitchen, including all the boys and the girls. And you can help your father in farming, in agriculture. If you love drawing, you can draw a lot of things. If you love something, you do something which you love to do, and which you were not getting chance when you were in the school, or when you were busy. So this is the time when you know about your things. This is the time when you learn about a lot of things about. So I feel that it's very, very much important to understand about yourself. And I wish you all the success. Be patient and take care of yourself. And I sincerely thank the school and the teachers and the principal who gave me a chance to speak on this. And I hope everyone will be taking care of themselves. Thank you so much.